In today's video, we'll delve into the future of autonomous vehicles, with a focus on Tesla's ambitious Robotaxi. We'll explore the evolution of AI chatbots, with a special spotlight on OpenAI's GPT-5, an AI that can converse like a human. We'll also look at how AI is revolutionizing physical tasks, featuring the groundbreaking work of physical intelligence. And finally, we'll examine how AI is becoming a part of our everyday tech, seamlessly integrating into our lives. So, buckle up and prepare to journey into the future of AI and robotics. The ride promises to be as exciting as it is enlightening. Let's dive in. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Can you imagine a future where cars drive themselves? A future without drivers, where cars are our personal chauffeurs? Well, Tesla is making that future a reality with the anticipated launch of its Robotaxi. Tesla, the company that has been at the forefront of the electric vehicle revolution, has announced it's about to take another giant leap into the future. On August 8th, Tesla plans to unveil its long-awaited Robotaxi, a self-driving vehicle designed to provide an autonomous taxi service. This isn't just a car that can navigate itself from point A to point B, but a vehicle that owners can rent out, transforming their personal car into a money-making machine while they're not using it. The concept is ambitious, and it's sparked a surge of excitement in the market. Following the announcement, Tesla's shares experienced a 4% uptick, showing just how much potential investors see in this venture. But it's not all smooth sailing for the tech titan. As with any pioneering technology, the road to the Robotaxi hasn't been without its speed bumps. Delays have plagued the project, with Tesla CEO Elon Musk openly acknowledging his tendency to be optimistic with timelines. And then, there are the safety concerns. The company has faced scrutiny over its full self-driving software after issues led to a recall. These challenges have left some questioning the viability of Tesla's autonomous ambitions. The year 2024 has been a tough one for the company, with declining deliveries and rising competition affecting its stock value. The Robotaxi's launch, therefore, isn't just about a new product, but a chance for Tesla to regain momentum and reaffirm its position as a leader in the auto industry. Yet amidst the questions and concerns, there's an undeniable sense of anticipation. If successful, the Robotaxi could redefine our relationship with cars, changing them from mere vehicles to autonomous chauffeurs. It's a step towards a future that, until recently, seemed confined to the pages of science fiction. With Tesla's Robotaxi, the line between science fiction and reality continues to blur. But will these autonomous vehicles be the revolution we anticipate, or just another bump in the road? Only time will tell. From simple text-based responses to complex human-like interactions, AI chatbots have come a long way, and OpenAI's GPT-5 is set to push those boundaries even further. In the dynamic world of technology, OpenAI's GPT-5 is a beacon of innovation. Imagined as a supercharged version of its predecessor, GPT-5 is designed to revolutionize the way we interact with AI. It's not just about answering questions or offering suggestions, it's about creating a conversational experience that feels as natural as chatting with a friend. This upgraded chatbot has a suite of new features and improvements that elevate its capabilities. One of the most notable enhancements is the level of personalization GPT-5 offers. It's designed to understand the context better, remember past interactions, and tailor its responses to each user's unique needs and preferences. Imagine having a virtual assistant that not only knows your schedule, but also your favorite coffee shop and how you like your latte. That's the level of personalization we're talking about, but it doesn't stop there. GPT-5 also promises fewer errors, which means more accurate responses and less misunderstanding. It's a significant step toward making AI communication as seamless as human conversation. Furthermore, GPT-5 is expected to handle a broader range of content. Whether you're asking for a weather update, seeking advice on a complex issue, or just wanting to have a casual chat, GPT-5 is designed to cater to all these needs with ease. These advancements are all part of OpenAI's pursuit of artificial general intelligence, or AGI. AGI is the idea of developing an AI system that can perform any intellectual task that a human being can. It's about creating a machine that doesn't just mimic human intelligence, but possesses it. While this may sound like science fiction, the strides made by OpenAI bring us closer to making this a reality. What does this mean for the future of AI? Well, it means the dawn of AI that's more intelligent, more capable, and more integrated into our daily lives. It means the possibility of having AI companions that understand us, assist us, and maybe even relate to us on a level we never thought possible. As we await the release of GPT-5, one thing is clear. The future of AI is here, and it's more intelligent and capable than ever before. What if robots could perform physical tasks just as efficiently as humans? That's the vision of physical intelligence, a new company backed by OpenAI. Let's take a closer look. Imagine a world where robots, powered by artificial intelligence, can perform physical tasks with the finesse and precision of a human. It sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But the future is closer than you think. Enter Physical Intelligence, an innovative company that's making this vision a reality. Backed by OpenAI and other influential investors, Physical Intelligence is on a mission to develop artificial intelligence for robots and physically actuated devices. But what does this mean exactly? Well, in essence, they're creating a universal AI model, a kind of brain, if you will, for various applications. They're not building hardware, but rather they're focusing their efforts on software, developing learning algorithms that can be trained on different types of robots. This approach is like teaching a new language to a child. The child doesn't need to change physically to learn the language, they just need to absorb the new information. Similarly, the robots will absorb the AI model's instructions and adapt their behavior accordingly. But this mission is not without its challenges. Training robots for physical tasks can be a time-consuming and costly process. Each robot is unique, with its own set of capabilities and limitations. Teaching a robot to pick up a fragile object without breaking it, for example, requires a delicate balance of power and precision. It's like trying to thread a needle while wearing boxing gloves. But despite these challenges, the potential for AI in physical tasks is enormous. Imagine a world where robots can perform tasks that are dangerous or tedious for humans. They could defuse bombs, clean up hazardous waste, or even perform intricate surgeries. The possibilities are endless. But it's not just about replacing humans in the workforce. It's also about augmenting our abilities, helping us to do our jobs more efficiently and safely. And we're already seeing some of this technology in action. Amazon, for instance, reportedly has a humanoid robot moving bins in its warehouse. Another company, Agility Robotics, plans to produce 10,000 robots annually for warehouses. And AI and robotics company 1X has raised $100 million for its second-generation android, NEO, which is designed for household tasks. These developments are exciting, but they also raise important questions. As we delegate more and more tasks to robots, we need to consider the ethical implications. How do we ensure that these robots are used responsibly? How do we protect jobs and ensure that workers aren't left behind in this new era of automation? As we inch closer to a world where robots can perform physical tasks efficiently, the question remains, are we ready for this new era of physical intelligence? Stay updated on AI, like this video and subscribe to InsightAI now. AI is no longer a distant concept. It's in our phones, our cars, and even our social media. This week, we take a look at how AI is shaping our everyday tech. Let's dive right in with Meta, the tech giant formerly known as Facebook. Meta has been testing a generative AI chatbot on Instagram, a platform that's already deeply ingrained in our daily lives. This AI isn't just capable of simple responses, oh no. It can craft poetry and generate images, adding an entirely new layer of interaction to the social media experience. Imagine sharing an AI-generated poem on your next post, or receiving a uniquely crafted image tailored to your interests. That's the future Meta's AI is promising. From social media to smartphones, AI continues to make its mark. Oppo and OnePlus, two major players in the smartphone industry, have integrated Google's Gemini AI models into their devices. These AI models are designed to perform tasks like summarizing news articles and generating social media content. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket, ready to keep you updated and help manage your digital presence. But it's not just about keeping us connected and informed. AI is also enhancing our ability to create and share memories. Google is expanding the AI-powered features in its Photos app, including the Magic Editor tool. This tool uses AI to edit your photos, suggesting improvements and corrections. It's like having a professional photo editor at your fingertips, ready to enhance your photos at the tap of a button. What's remarkable about these advancements is how seamlessly they're integrating into our daily lives. AI is no longer a standalone innovation, but a part of the very fabric of our everyday tech. It's in the way we communicate, the way we stay informed, and even the way we remember our experiences. As AI continues to evolve and integrate into our daily tech, we can't help but wonder, what's next in this AI-driven world?